Hello everyone, I Abhishek welcome you all to my channel, and today I am going to show you how to fix the issue of missing battery or power icon in the taskbar. So as you can clearly see that the power icon or the battery icon is missing from the taskbar. So to make it visible, just right click on the taskbar, click on the properties, and under the notification area click on customize. Now you can see that in the listed option the power icon is clearly missing. So to make it visible, just click on this link, turn system icon on or off, and next to the power icon you will see a drop down where you have to just select this on option and click OK. So now you can see that the power icon is visible. Just make sure that under the behaviors this show icon and notification option is selected. Click OK, and you can see that the power icon or the battery icon is clearly visible now. So that's it from my side. If you like my video, then click on the like button and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.